Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Science and Vigyan. Today I'm here to tell you the important one, how you can predict NMR that we know, proton NMR as well as carbon NMR using chemtro software. Fine, we know that in the earlier videos we have already discussed how you can draw the structure and you can calculate their physicochemical property by using this software. As I already discussed with you, this software is very important for the chemistry student especially. Now I will tell you how you can predict the NMR of the unknown structure. For example, if you are in synthetic project, in that you need to draw or you need to design the new compound. For that, if you have rough idea about where proton and in the proton comes to this platform, it will help you to actually predict the unknown compound. Fine, before wasting a time we will start it. And one more thing, if you really like to watch my videos in the future also, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends also, because this video, it is very important. Fine, okay, before wasting a time I would like to start it. As it is shown in the screen, it is a Camdraw Ultra software. Now firstly I'll just open it new. I'll just open the new document here. I will draw the structure. As we already discussed, we can draw the structure by writing its name also. I will write here aspirin. Now fine, now you can see aspirin is drawn here. Now I wanted to see its proton NMR. I just select it by pressing Ctrl A button. After this, just go to the structure option. Now you can see here is the option predict proton NMR shifts. Just click it. Now you can see it. It is clearly defined with the aliphatic and the aromatic proton, and it is described with the ppm units. That is helpful to predict the unknown compound. In such way we can predict any unknown compound. If you have any new compound and if you have any kind of doubt regarding the prediction of this proton NMR, their signals, different signals, please to mention in the comment box. I would like to discuss that in detail also, and it is very helpful if you give me any unknown structure. I would like to describe that in detail. Fine, this is all about the tips and the trick how you can predict the proton NMR as well as carbon 13. Okay, carbon 13. Okay, I will close it. Now just select the again, just pressing the same thing. Fine. After it, just go to the structure and there is another option, predict C13 NMR shift. Just click it. Now you can see here is a C13. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding the basics of the NMR, or what is the proton NMR, what is the carbon NMR, what is the nitrogen NMR, please do mention in the comment box. I would like to, even I am happy to share that in detail. Thank you. And don't forget to like and share this video. If you found it's very useful, please do share the same with your friends also. Thank you so much. Happy learning. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding the drug design as well as chemistry, please do mention in the comment box. Fine. I would like to describe your doubt, or I would like to clear you all the doubt. Thank you.